Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write Subscript in Excel on Mac. So guys, I'm using Windows 11 but method is same for Mac users. Type your data like CO2 and you want to make this 2 as a subscript. So select it and here guys you will see this option. Just click on it. So this way you can make subscript. Method is same in Windows and Mac. Just you have to select here subscript. So this is the Microsoft Word. Similar way you can write subscript in Excel. Now you want to make this number 2 as a subscript. So select it and right click and format cells. Here select font and select subscript. Then click on OK. So method is easy in Excel also. Select any number which you want to make subscript. Then right click and format cells. Here select subscript. Then click on OK. So superscript. So make it subscript. Then OK. Like this. So thanks for watching.